Okay, so boom. Big T just shouted out 3 of the 5 members on the Georgia Board of Elections the other day at his rally in Atlanta, and this is why you need to be concerned about that.
I don't know if you've heard, but the Georgia State Election Board is in a very positive way. This is a very positive thing, Marjorie. They're on fire. They're doing a great job. 3 members, Janice Johnson, Rick Jeffries, and Janelle King. 3 people are all pit bulls fighting for honesty, transparency, and victory. They're fighting.
Now, all 3 of these members are Republican, cool. But the issue is all 3 of these members also questioned the results of the 2020 elections and then continued to question those results, even though case after case after case after case has proven that Big T lost Georgia, period. But the big problem right now is that these 3 just changed the rules to the game on how county officials are to certify their elections in Georgia. What they did was pass a new law that basically says that county officials get to conduct a reasonable inquiry into whether election results are accurate before they're certified. The problem with that is, what does it mean to be reasonable? Now, Georgia got 159 counties. So what that means is that if there's no standard on what a reasonable inquiry is, well, then all 159 counties can kind of do whatever they want to do and decide whether or not they want to certify the election results. So now 2 former GOP secretaries of states from Georgia wrote letters and they was like, we don't think this is a good idea at all. Matter of fact, we think it's a very bad idea. Why would y'all change the rules to the game this late? Okay, we got about, I don't know how many, 80-some days to election. Early voting start like October 15th. Y'all ain't no transparency. Okay, y'all ain't got no rules, no guardrails. Y'all just all this no. All this is going to do is further the distrust that American people already have in our election process, and we don't need that right now. Now, the greater concern with all of this is that this is going to be another way, another tool that people use to not certify the election in Georgia. So Georgia state statute says that the election results shall, that means it ain't an option, shall be certified by the Monday after. However, with this new law in place, there could be delays that make it impossible for that to happen. So then you're running into them having to go to court and challenge all kind of stuff. And we already know how that can go. So there's a lot of concern about what this new rule can do. And basically, one of the board members was like, look, they didn't do this in good faith. Like, they may be trying to act like they're trying to make sure everything's straight and ain't nobody cheating and everything is in place. And she was like, no. This was a coordinated effort. They out of pocket. Them same people who got some legislation in court right now talking about we don't really know about them 2020 election results still 4 years later. 4 years later. But anyways, so y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section below. Also, please go check on the Secretary of State website and make sure your voter registration is proper, because I heard they out here playing games. And so we just need to be checking, being extra vigilant. Just go double check. Even if you think you cool, even if you checked yesterday, check again today, just to be on the safe side, because we don't got time for these type of games. Okay? Have the day y'all deserve.